Hi, this is Greg with Bloomfield Schoolhouse Lavender. I'm in the basement of the schoolhouse. No stairs right now, but I'm going to show you what we have on here. All right. Eventually there'll be a staircase going up, and over here on the side here we'll have a staircase coming down. I'm going to take you into this room here. Alright, we put egress windows in throughout the whole basement. This eventually will become a culinary kitchen. We'll do our culinary lavender here. We hope to be able to have a few events here and maybe have some dinners here at one point. This leads up into what was a bathroom. We kind of gutted it. There wasn't much to save in here. This will probably be storage or dishwashing area. A lot of water down here. They're going to put a new sump pump in. We're going to have to put some tile around the outside of the schoolhouse to solve that. In the hallway here, it's going to have 2 half baths. And then we'll have probably a door over here going into like a changing room or bridal suite area in case somebody wanted to have a wedding here. So this is the other side of the basement. Again, these are all egress windows. We'll have a utility sink in this area somewhere, full bath, a lot of storage. This might just be a little hangout place, good place to play poker. I don't know. This is the beam that we're going to have to jack up the floor a little bit. It's sagging above us, so we're going to try to do it real slowly and preserve the floor above us. But yeah, there's quite a bit of space down here, and the ceilings for the building being as old as they're nice and tall. So, you know, we'll have good lighting in here. Have a lot of concrete work to do in here. It's concrete floors, but they're going to have to run all the piping, and so that's going to take quite a bit of work. And then up here right now, it's a really high ceiling. Will there be a floor above us? You can kind of see up there, we've got some recessed lighting going in. We plan to hang a big chandelier in the hallway, so this will be bright. And then we're going to have lavender hanging everywhere here. So we're kind of short this year on space to dry it, so you'll see a lot in the shop, I'm sure, this year, and I may be hanging it in my basement just until this gets done. But yeah, we're excited. There's a lot of work to do, but our contractor is really optimistic, and he sees our vision, and I think he can execute it well for us. So anyways, that's the basement. And hopefully next time I show you some videos for the basement, we'll have some work done in here.